Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download a code from Lovable AI. First, go ahead and log in to your Lovable AI account. Once inside the dashboard, scroll down until you're in your workspace. Now, select one. Once inside your workspace, to access your code, just go and click on this code icon at the top, and now you will see it. As Lovable AI doesn't have a direct download for the code, what you can do is to highlight them, copy it, then you can go to your notepad, your Word, or other notes that you can paste your code. So just go ahead and paste your code there. After that, you can now go ahead and save your file. And that's just basically it. That's how you can download a code from Lovable AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.